How is the overall feeling? What is? Are you confident of the winning this
Now
election?
you have seen, whether you have seen or not.
We have seen,
This is my
sir.
question.
We have seen, sir.
So what is your observation?
We can't.
What do you think?
We can't give any
You should
comments,
say.
sir. Comments, sir.
You are also a human being. No?
Right.
So you should also say you have seen.
Right,
A
sir.
large number of people have come here. And I am sure that we are going to win. And our Modi ji already said that our target is 370. I hope it will go beyond that. And our target is with the alliance partner will go beyond 400. I don't know where it will go ultimately. So I'm sure that this time from east and west, both the constituencies, we are going to win. And today, this East Parliamentary constituency, our candidate is Maharani Kriti Singh Debarma Mahadaya. So along with her and our Motha founder, Maharaja Kirit Bibikum Kishore Debarma, we all went to submit the nomination.
Thanks. Thanks.